Hey, Vicky. Okay, so I'm having a really hard time getting a hold of you for the phone system, but let's just look at it together and making this video on Zoom. Okay, so I'm anticipating that if you have a question, it could be on number 3. So none of these graphs need to be colored at all. They're just two separate graphs. Like, so there's the red graph here that needs to be graphed. I don't need any number lines. I just need to have it on the XY axis. And then for these graphs below, they also don't need to be colored. They can be completely black and white. Again, just this piecewise linear function on the XY plane. I don't need the background colored. I don't need it to be blue. I just need it to be like labeled as a choice. So ideally, Marco will look at this graph here above. And then based on that, he will select either A, B, C, D, E, or F as the answer to the question. So colors don't matter. We don't need any sort of shading or dotting or anything like that. Just clean labeling on which graph is which. For this one, yeah, this one's pretty colorful. So we need to include the red one. That's our main function that we're basing our answer off of. So that could be like a thick solid. And then the orange, the green, and the black. Because we're limiting to 4 line types, blue is not the correct answer choice, and it's so close to the green that I say scrap it. So we'll do orange, green, and black, and that can be whatever you want to shade it as. Like if you want orange to be dotted, black to be dashed, and then green to be dot dash, that's fine. Whatever you want to do with that, I just need to know which one is who. And then we can let the red one be the thick solid. The same thing is happening in number 5. So again, the red is the main guy, so that needs to be the thick solid. And then we're going to include the orange, the green, and the black, and blue is not invited anymore, just as in the previous problem, so no blue. I did reference red as the solid line. I'm doing air quotes. I did reference red as the solid line in the problem. So that's the only one that like has to be solid in 4 and 5. But as far as whether or not orange, green, and black are dot dash and combo, it doesn't matter to me. I just need to know which is what. What else do we have? Okay, for this one, I don't know if you have a question on this one, but I just need to make sure to have this open dot. Zoom in a little bit. I just need to make sure, oops, skewed. I just need to make sure to have this open dot above the 2, a solid dot at 2, 0, and then an open dot right above it. Let's call it 2, 0.5. And that's it. Okay, I hope that helps. I don't know why I don't know. I called 452 8002, and then I don't know. I feel like a lot of people have a very weird message on their voicemail when they get back.